Hi everyone, welcome back to Livy's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and of course I am your craft host, Sam, coming to you today with another mini collective haul from Ollie's and Dollar Tree. So I am going to sound like your grandmother who repeats herself as she cautiously advises you to stock up on certain things I'm pretty sure of, but this is one of the things that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. They're not always in stock, so when I run across them, whether I need them or not, I always grab myself a couple pairs. In this particular instance, I was picking them up for a new craft friend that I've met in the Maker Exchange community, which is the Facebook group that I belong to, or that I started. And she's actually in my neighborhood or in my neck of the woods, so I picked those up for her. And then they also had, of course, some cute little paper flowers with the little pearl centers. And, you know, this isn't how they sell them. Of course, it was in cellophane. And before I started crafting, I took them out, got rid of the packaging, or should I say save the packaging. But then I realized I needed to quickly do a haul. So there you have it. It's out of the package. Another item that I found at Dollar Tree were these cute little boxes. Sorry about the glare, but they came in 4 different colors, and I thought that they would make perfect little accessories at a craft fair if I just, you know, package them up with some goodies. So I got the pink, the coral or orange color. This green one says sparkle, and then you have the turquoise, but I love the fact that it has this little glitter and the foil on them. So got all 4, and I'll just pull some stuff from my stash and put some pens, pencils, post-it notes, and some smaller items in there, paper clips and what have you, and then put those out on the table for a friend who is vending in the near future, within the next couple of weeks. So, and then I also picked up this paper pad. Now this only has 6 different designs. Let me see. This yellow print, cupcakes, paisley, dot type of stars, the flamingos, which they're all cute, and then the wavy stripes. Which ironically, these flowers kind of can be used with pretty much anything in here. I just found that to be a little humorous. Anyways, so all of those items obviously are $1 at the Dollar Tree. And then I stopped by Ollie's because I wanted to see what they had, if they had anything new. And I picked up for $1.99 this watercolor pad. It has 12 sheets. And the sheets are pretty heavy. This is one, you know, you can tell how it bends, how thick it is. But I need something so that, you know, from time to time when I stamp, you know, I can use my watercolor paints. And by watercolor paints, I mean the kind that I get at the Dollar Tree or Dollar General. Nothing expensive, you know, none of the major brands just yet because I'm so new to it. But nevertheless, this is by Pagan. And let's see. That glare is a bit much. Okay, so it doesn't show the weight, but it does say heavyweight, and it's smooth, so there's no texture. It's a uniform texture, I should say. It has a very minimal texture, but it's not flat as in copy paper. And then they also had this paper pad, Wings of Love, 174 pieces, which is 26 designs, 10 solids, 138 cutouts. It's 12 by 12 paper pad, and it is by Coloring. Where is it? Yeah, Coloring. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it was for $1.99. And let me just do a quick little flip through. Sorry about the glare again. Just get that bottom part open. Gracious. I think I would have did that beforehand. Anyways, but these are the designs. Really cute. Some of them are peach and are just different colors. And that's very fine. You got quite a bit of solids and florals, And my favorite is this. It's very pale. It's cute. The butterflies. And once again, butterflies. That's my theme, as you know, by my channel. And then here's the the cutouts. So you got those letters. You've got these, which you got some borders, and this says, remember the good times. You have some more letters, some tags, some journal cards, or, you know, you can write a sentiment inside of a card if you put that in there. And I don't know if this is really a design sheet or if this can be used, you know, you can use it either way, obviously. But you can use it as, you know, you can cut those out individually, or you can use the whole sheet for a card or something. And then you have some more cutaparts, whatever you want to call them. Banner flags, page flags. I never can get my terminology right, but you guys know what I'm talking about, right? Different journal spots for, you know, if you use this in your journal. I like the color because I can use it interchangeably between adult gifts and items, as well as children's, you know, baby gifts, baby items. So, and then the last thing that I picked up was something that I was so excited to find because I have been looking for a coloring book, but I really liked this size because it's big enough to fit into a purse or carry it along. I like the fact that it closes like that. And the greatest part about it is you've got a good variety of markers to use, fine tip markers. They aren't the best, I'll say that. They're not the best, but they will do on the run, you know. And I figured this is something I can use and I can take with me when I am, you know, in the waiting room for my son's dentist appointments, doctor's appointments, eye appointments, and baseball practices and stuff like that. Something that I can do to keep myself busy because I like to craft. I like to craft on the go. If I can, I will. And I also liked the bold design that the design doesn't have such fine, it's not such fine designs that you have to be absolutely perfect. You know, it does leave a little bit of room for error because the drawings are done with a bit of a bolder pen. So if you happen to slightly go out of the line, it's not as noticeable. But I also like the theme of the book. It's actually called Color Me Calm. So 70 coloring templates for meditation and relaxation, and it's by Lacey McLeod, illustrated by Angela Porter, and it says a Zen coloring book. So you can also take this out of the cover, you know, but I intend to leave it in here. I do want to color. My son and I, we started already, and this is just what I did using the markers that are supplied. So this is again at Ollie's for $2.99. It was a great buy. And so I think I'll be putting this to good use within the next couple of months, and probably will take some of the prints, scan them in, print them off, send them to different family members as gifts, printed and used in different projects. So, I mean, that's my whole idea on that. But with all that being said, I want to thank you for watching. Thanks for supporting my channel. I can't believe I just hit over 100 subscribers. I know that's minimal for as long as I've been on, but I am not active as I'd like to be. Hopefully that'll change. If not, you know, for those who are watching, I appreciate it. I'd ask that you just share the videos that you enjoy. And if you are a part of the coloring world, feel free to share a video that you have or point me in the direction of one of your latest creations, and I'll be happy to check it out. And, you know, so just drop it below in the comments. And if I can find this on Amazon, I will drop a link to that as well. So if that's something that you're interested in, because sometimes your local Ollie's might not have it. So until we meet here again on YouTube, I want to tell you to stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative in crafting. Bye for now.